Welcome back everybody, and in this part I'll be finish off the player health, and I'm gonna do the mana system too. So uh, a few seconds ago, well, in the last video, we created this variable. It's dead, and yeah, let's go ahead and in the if statement here we just made, if current health is lower than 1, we're gonna set the current health is equal to 0, and is z, what we just made, is equal to true. Yeah, let's just make that, and let's make another if statement, and we're if cur health gets greater than max health, then we want to set our current health is equal to max health. So now when we get our current health gets lower than 1, the current health is equal to 0. So if our current health gets greater than max health, we want our current health is equal to max health. So we don't want our current health to get bigger than our max health, because that's our max health. So yeah, we could add here in the if current health is lower than 1, we wanna do we're gonna write game objects dot insert parentheses destroy. So let's go back to Unity and let's see here. Should it be a big game object? Get some error, gotta fix it. Type variable. I think it's game object, but let's make a new variable. It's gonna be a public, and it's gonna be a game object, and it's gonna call me. Let's name player. And instead of game object, write player. Player dot inside parentheses destroy. And let's see if we got any errors. Still. Player destroy. That should work. Search Google like always. 3D game object destroy. Object that destroy. Let's see here. It's opposite. Let's here's gonna say destroy, and what we're gonna destroy? Yeah, we're gonna destroy the player. So now hopefully we're gonna errors. Yep. Now here where we attach the script, we got a new variable here, and this is player, and it's none inside game inside parentheses game object. Let's go ahead and drag our first person controller from down here on top of the where it says none. And now when we run it, when we changes current health, it changes down to here. And when it's get over than 100, it is 100. So let's try it on 0, and boom, I'm dead. Let's see here. I got a main camera here, which I'm gonna delete. And I want to try it again. I'm gonna press here and try our current health down. Boom, we're dead. As you see down here, the object is destroyed. And I won't go further than this in this tutorial, but yeah, we can make a button where it says respawn. Now when we press it, we'll respawn in a spot, but we won't do that now. So when we close the game again, our first person controller is here again. Let's rename this so we know that this is player, so name it player. Yeah, let's go back into no, we won't go back to Unity, and let's create a new we're gonna clean it up. So inside a script folder, let's create a new folder called player, and then we will drag these both scripts into the player folder, and right click the player folder which we just made and create a new C# script. Name it player mana. Mana big, uppercase, so mana. Now when we go back into mana development, I'm just gonna open this player and double click this free, like that, and this can be an uppercase, or let's name this scripts in uppercase in the beginning, so like that, and let's refresh it. So open it up again, and well, like that. And, well, let's close it down and open player mana again, like that. I'm changing this because it always have to be same, and uppercase and lowercase makes different, because you could make different variables. Let's private int, let's call it high with a big H, and let's make another one, private int high with lowercase, and it's two totally different variables. So if both are the same, we'll get an error and it's gonna get deleted. So oh well, not deleted, it's gonna be an error and we gotta delete it. We're not gonna use one of those. So let's go into player health again, and let's say let's copy all of this, copy, and so you can see copy and paste. Now we're gonna rename all stuff player mana, our current mana, our max mana, our mana bar length, and it's not gonna be endurance, it's gonna be let's say, what are we gonna call this? We're gonna call it well, we'll call it intel. What is how to spell intelligence? Then, and we're gonna set it to 5. Let's delete that bool is dead for now. Can make another later, and delete that game object. And in the start, we're gonna set mana bar length is equal to screen dot width divided by 2, and we're gonna set max mana is equal to what do we call it? Intelligence times 10. Well, change that to 5 and change this back to 10. And what? Change that uppercase I to lowercase I, so it doesn't be wrong.